So Erin Condren sent me this giant box of back to school goodies. So today I'm going to unbox this for you and show you everything I got. This is super timely for me. I work full time and I'm a full-time college student. So Lord knows I need all the help organizing that stuff that I can get. So first off is this cool kids reading log, which I'm totally going to use for myself. I feel like 99% of it can be used for an adult. I just love the setup of how it tracks like what you've read, what you're reading, what you want to read. You know, there's a spot to review things. Super cool little notebook that was new from them. Next up is the academic planner. This is like the colorful one. I actually ordered one of these for myself that was in the In Bloom motif that I'm going to use. But I love how this is set up. Like there's different sections in the weekly, so I can kind of combine like school and personal in one planner. I think I'm going to give this one to my daughter because she's also in school. But really like this, really like how it's set up. I think this is going to be super functional for me. Love these snap-in dashboards to like keep track of your projects and everything. This holographic one is definitely going in my planner. This is another thing I'm super excited about. It's a 3-subject notebook because I don't take any more than 3 classes at once, so I can have a section for each class. These are A5 agenda dividers, which I don't have their A5 agenda, but I do have an A5 planner, so I might try those out. This is like an accordion pen pouch thing. They've had these before, but I really like this color scheme. I think this is going to be great for me because I take stuff to work a lot. This was like a notebook ruler thing. These pens are cool. Like you color with one end and then it changes color on the other end. Now this is like the neutral functional sticker book. I'm sure I will use this. I love the color scheme. These are like wet erase markers that you can use on darker surfaces. A little notepad for self-care items. A calculator, super cute. Highlighters. Don't love the shape, but I did love how they worked. Love this sticky pad with assignments for the week. Really nice fine liners. I liked the colors. And these are like magnetic ballpoint pens. Not super exciting, but they'll stick to your fridge. These are rainbow pens, like rainbow within the same pen. And this, last but not least, is a repositionable like whiteboard type of thing. You can stick to your fridge, and it also has a notepad on it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you don't already.